Chelsea here today with Chelsea's Motivational Monday. The thought of the day is start organizing with one shelf at a time. Yes, it's not necessarily about organizing your house, but it could be. Could be the garage, could be something in your life, could be eating healthy, could be reading more, could be anything. And sometimes we think of things and we get so overwhelmed that we choose to do about 20 other things besides maybe what we should or want to do. And that just keeps downing us and downing us. I'm reading this book, it says start one shelf at a time. So if you do want to clean up your whole house, don't think of it as your whole house to organize, do fall cleaning. Start with one shelf. You want to start being healthier? Don't think of 3 weeks worth of healthy food and 3 weeks worth of workouts. Start with the next meal. You want to start reading more, but you're thinking, oh, how am I going to read a 350-page book? Just start by buying a book and reading the first page. And it's funny, if you just start with something with that one shelf or that one little momentum, you'll probably do 2 or 3. The next day you'll do 2 or 3 more, and then you'll create your own habit of doing that and clearing that up. So I hope we motivated you today to start with one shelf, metaphorically, in whatever it is you want to accomplish this week, this month, and the following months. Have a huggable day.